And after creating us as a human being, the greatest gift that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can grant any one of us, anyone, is the gift of Iman. The gift of Iman. Alhamdulillahi ala deen al-Islam. Alhamdulillahi ala al-Iman. All praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has granted us Iman. Iman is the greatest gift that any one of us can receive, because it is only through Iman that anyone can enter into Jannah. No one can enter into paradise until they have the key to paradise, and the key to paradise is Iman. Man qala la ilaha illallah dakhala al-Jannah. Whoever says la ilaha illallah, they will enter paradise. It is our greatest asset. There are so